Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to answer one very big question. Every student asks me this question, मैम कितने घंटे पढ़ें कि हमारा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा? मैम अगर हम 2 महीने पहले से तैयारी शुरू कर रहे हैं तो कितना टाइम हमको देना चाहिए? If I'm starting my preparation 9 months earlier, then how much time I need to give, right? So this is one basic question everyone wants to know. How much hours of study is enough for preparation for GATE architecture and planning, right? So before starting the video, those who are new to this channel, let me introduce myself. I am Parul Sharma. I am an architect and I did my masters from IIT Kharagpur in infrastructure design and management. I secured All India rank 28 in GATE 2019 and I'm the founder of ERI Academy. So at ERI Academy, we provide classes for GATE architecture and planning. And if you want to join the classes for GATE architecture and planning, you can reach out to us through our number 9799333490 and we will be happy to help you out. Now, let's start the video. So, I have calculated for you and made the calculation very easy for you so that you will understand how much hours you need to give whenever you are starting your preparation. That is 540. Yes. So you need to give 500 plus, that is 540 hours of study. 540 hours of study while you are preparing for GATE, right? If you have started your preparation when there are 9 months left. So 9 months left, that means 9 into on an average 30 days, that is 270. Okay, you have 270 days. So according to this, every day you have to give 2 hours. Okay. Now, if you are, say for example, starting your preparation when 6 months are left. When 6 months are left, that means you will have 6 into 30 is 180 days. So for this 540 by 180, you need to give 3 hours every day. And when I'm saying 2 hours, 3 hours, so these hours are basically your study. I say this in my class also. I say this every time. कोचिंग वाले लोग तुमको मटेरियल प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. दे कैन प्रोवाइड यू द कंप्लीट गाइडेंस एंड मेंटोरशिप. आई से दिस एवरी टाइम टू द स्टूडेंट्स इन माय क्लास ऑल्सो. वी कैन प्रोवाइड यू द स्ट्रक्चर्ड मटेरियल, वी कैन प्रोवाइड यू द बुक्स, वी कैन प्रोवाइड यू द बेस्ट classes and the lectures, best teachers, everything. But ultimately in the end, you have to learn. We tell you everything in the class, where to study, how much to study, right? But ultimately you have to learn it. So the hours that I am quoting here is your self-study hours. You join any classes or coaching or you don't join any classes, self-study is the most important thing and you have to do that. राइट, दैट इज दैट एक्स्ट्रा बिट ना कि टॉपर्स ऐसा क्या करते हैं कि वो टॉपर होते हैं. सो दे पुट इन दैट एक्स्ट्रा स्टडी आवर्स दैट यू हैव टू गिव, राइट? सो सिमिलरली इफ एनीवन हु इज स्टार्टिंग व्हेन लास्ट 3 months are left, right? So you can calculate very easily. So 3 into average of 30 days, that is 90 days, and every day you have to give 6 hours. So that's how you can calculate whenever you are starting your preparation. This is just a simple mantra that I have made for you all and I have made the calculation very easy for you all. वैसे generally if we see, it is like 500 plus hours, at least 500 plus hours of study you need to give to secure good rank in examination. There are students जो भाई लास्ट के महीने में भी पढ़ के टॉप कर देते हैं. So there are exceptions like that. So if you are one of those exceptions, it's amazing, it's great. But if you are someone who needs time to learn, who needs time to comprehend, who needs time to study and understand, so you have to give that much hours. You have to give 500 plus hours of studies for this particular examination. So I hope now you are all clear how much hours you need to give, right? And those who want to join GATE 2025 architecture and planning classes, you can reach out to us through the number given below. And along with that, on our app ERI Academy, free material, free content, test series, lot of things are available there that will help you in your preparation. And if there is any problem or you need any guidance or mentorship, you can also reach out to us. We will be very happy to help you. You can also join our WhatsApp group where we add updates and relevant information regarding the examination. So that will also help you in keeping you updated. So if you like the content that we add here, please do like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.